Brian from Snowwalker Outdoors, up in the Adirondacks, and we're doing some canoeing. We've been up here for about a week now, and something that I wanted to actually show you that can very easily be made, that you can use in a host of different applications. Obviously I'm using it while canoeing, but did you ever sit back and say to yourself, man, I wish I had something that had the functionality of a zip tie and yet still have something flexible like a bungee? So today what I'm going to actually show you is I'm going to show you how to make a flexible zip tie that's removable, that you can use in a host of applications to help you out. And then once we actually make this, I'm going to show you how I used it, and then you come up with your own ideas on how you want to use it. So let's dive right in. Let's take a look at what we need to make one of these. Very simply, what you're going to need is 3 things to put this together. 1, we need an 1/8 inch piece of elastic. Okay, you can get this through just about any paracord supply company. You can get them on Amazon. It doesn't matter. You can buy it by the foot. You can buy it by a 100-foot roll if you want. So 1/8 inch elastic bungee. We need just a simple 2-hole plastic toggle. Okay, 2 holes. And then we just need your basic cord lock. That's all there is to it. So you take your elastic and you feed both ends through. So that we have our bungee, we have our toggle. We have our bungee. We have our toggle in place just like that. And essentially, you take our cord lock and we feed that through. Okay. We just tie it off in a knot. Overhand knot, kids. Granny knot, overhand knot, whatever you want to call it. Simple. Okay. Pull it through. Cinch it down. And there it is. That is essentially our zip tie bungee. Okay, so there it is. And you can make bunches of them. Make them in all different colors. You can color code them. You can do whatever. Okay, let's take a look at how we actually use it. How I used it in the canoe while out on my trips. So how did I use it when I was out in the boat? We were canoeing. I'll show you right now. So in the case of a portage or something of that nature, if I wanted to get my paddle out of the way, then what I would do is I would just tie it off to the thwarts. As you can see here, it's tied off to one thwart. Come up to the next thwart, and there it is. That's not the only place that I would use it. On my painter lines on the canoe, I would actually put them on the handles, and I would wrap everything up nice and neat to keep the lines out from underneath the bottom of the hull. As you can see here, we have our painter, and it's nice. It's attached. It's neat. It's not in the way at any point. To very simply put this on, what we would do, see, here's my painter line, and it's all coiled up and it's nice. It's right on the grab handle. So what you're going to do is you take your zip tie, your bungee, however, okay, and then you just feed it through, feed your cord lock through, okay, you
you take your toggle. Your toggle is basically going to hold it right in place. And there's your zip tie part. Now we lock it, and it's all set and ready to go.
Anyway, that's how you make that removable zip tie. So I hope you like it, and I hope that you go ahead and make a bunch of them for yourself. They cost pennies to actually make. You can get them all on the big Amazon store, and you're not going to spend a lot of money, and you'll have a nice functional tool to use while you're out canoeing, kayaking, or whatever, even hiking. There's a lot of applications. So hope you like them, and Brian from Snowwalker Outdoors coming to you from the Adirondacks, and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for your views and your comments, and all your subscriptions, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.